ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। ॐ श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। अथ श्रीमन्नारायणीयं दशका 5 Cosmic Evolution. The philosophical questions like how and when the world originated are discussed many a time in the Upanishads, the Puranas, and the Smriti texts. In the Rig Veda, there are three well known suktas: the Purusha Suktam, the Hiranyagarbha Suktam, and the Nasadiya Suktam, which try to explain creation. In the Bhagavata Mahapurana, Vedavyasa has discussed creation in great detail. Sriman Narayaniyam is a beautiful condensation of the Bhagavata Puranam, and here also the creation is presented in a similar vein. In the first verse, it is said that at the time of the Pralayavastha, Maya, whose changes were obstructed due to the balance of the three gunas, Sattva, Rajas, and Tamas, got merged in Brahman. Creation takes place only when the three gunas are unbalanced. At that time, this world, made up of the gross and subtle elements, was not there. There was neither death nor immortality. There was no day or night. It is said that at that time the only thing which remained was the Brahman, who shone as the supreme bliss consciousness. The first verse is constructed in the beautiful Shardula Vikridita meter, which has 19 syllables in each of the four quarters. व्यक्ताव्यक्तमिदं न किञ्चिदभवत् प्राक्प्राकृतप्रच्छये मायायां गुणसाम्यरुद्धविकृतौ त्वय्यागतायां लयम् नो मृत्युश्च तदामृतं च समभून् नान्योन्नरात्रे स्थितिस्तत्रैकस्त्वमशिष्यता किल परानन्दप्रकाशात्मना. Prakrita Prachaye. At first, during the natural pralaya, when there was complete destruction, Guna Samya Ruddha Vikrutau, when change was obstructed in the Maya due to the balance of the three gunas, Sattva, Rajas, and Tamas. Mayayam Tvai Layam Agatayam, when Maya had merged in you. Vyaktam Avyaktam Idam Kinchit Na Abhavat. This world, made up of the gross and subtle elements, was not there. Tada mrityuhu amritam cha no samabhut. At that time, there was no death or immortality. Annaha stitihi na, ratrehe na. There was no state of day and night. Tatra tvam ekaha para ananda prakasha atmana ashishyataha kila. Then it is said that only you remained as the supreme bliss consciousness. कालकर्मगुणाश्च जीवनिवहा विश्वं च कार्यं विभो चिल्लीलारतिमेयुषि त्वयि तदा निर्लीनतामाययुः तेषां नैव वदन्त्यसत्त्वमयिबो शक्त्यात्मना तिष्ठतां नो चेत् किं गगनप्रसूनसदृशां भूयो भवेत् सम्भवः। हे विभो, तदा त्वयि चिल्लीलारतिम् एयुषि, O all-pervading Lord. At that time, when you were delighting in the sport of assuming the form of pure consciousness, gunaha, the three gunas, sattva, rajas and tamas, kalaha, karma, jiva, nivahaha, time, karma, the effects of the actions of the jivas, jiva nivahaha, the group of the jivas, karyam vishwam cha, and the universe which is the effect, nirlinatam ayayuhu, completely merged in you, aiboho shaktyatmana tishtatam tesham, O Bhagavan, for them who are in the causal form, asatvam, the absolute non-existence, na eva vadanti, the Shrutis do not declare at all. This verse says that the non-existence of time etc. during the pralaya is not absolute. They did exist in the causal form and manifested themselves during creation. A flower cannot grow from the sky. It is something impossible. So also, time and other things cannot manifest themselves from nowhere. एवं च द्विपरार्धकालविगता बीजांसि सृक्षात्मिकां बिभ्राणे त्वयि चुक्षुभे त्रिभुवनी भावाय माया स्वयं मायातः खलु कालशक्तिरखिला दृष्टं स्वभावोऽपि च प्रादुर्भूय गुणान् विकास्य विदधुस्तस्या सहायक्रियाम्. Evam cha, in this manner, dviparardha kala vigatau, at the end of a period of 2 parardhas, tvayi sisrichatmikam icham bibrane, when you assume the glance with the intention to create, tribhuvani bhavaya, for the creation of the 3 worlds, maya swayam chuchube, maya bestirred herself, mayataha kalu, from maya itself, kala shaktihi, the power known as time, akhila drishtam, the adrishta or the good or bad luck of all the jivas, swabhavaha apicha, and the natural tendencies, pradurbhuya gunan vikasya, emerging and activating the 3 gunas, tasyaha sahayakriyam vidaduhu, acted in support of that maya. This verse states that at the end of a period of 2 parardhas, creation begins. The lifespan of Brahma, the creator, is 2 parardhas. Each parardha extends up to 50 Brahma years. The Prakrita Pralaya is also of the same duration. At the end of this Pralaya, a new cycle of creation begins. Maya sannihito pravishtavapusha Sachiti gito bhavan Vedaistam pratibimbato vivishivan जीवोऽपि नैवापरः कालादिप्रतिबोधितात भवता सञ्चोदिता च स्वयं माया सा खलु बुद्धितत्त्वमसृजत् योऽसौ महानुच्यते माया सन्निहितः placed near Maya apravishta Bhavan, you without entering into it, that is, not being under its influence. Sachi iti Gitaha Bhavan, you are proclaimed as a mere witness. Bedaihi, in different appearances, tam, in that Maya, Pratibimbataha, as reflections, Vivishivan, you have entered. Jivaha api aparaha na eva. The individual soul is not at all different from you. Atha, thereafter, kaladi pratibodhita, being roused by time, bhavata sanchodita cha, and well prompted by you, sa maya khalu swayam, that maya itself indeed, buddhi tattvam, the principle of buddhi, asrajat, created, yaha asau mahan uchyate, which buddhi tattva is called mahat. तत्रासौ त्रिगुणात्मकोऽपि च महान् सत्त्वप्रधानस्वयं जीवेऽस्मिन् खलु निर्विकल्पमहमित्युद्बोधनिष्पादकः चक्रेऽस्मिन् सविकल्पबोधकमहं तत्त्वं महान् कल्वसौ सम्पुष्टं त्रिगुणैस्तमोति बहुलं विष्णो भवत्प्रेरणात्. Hey Vishnu, O God Vishnu, tatra, there, among the effects of Maya, asau mahan trigunatmakaha api. That Mahat, though endowed with the three gunas, sattva, rajas and tamas, swayam sattva pradhanaha, when it has the predominance of the sattva guna, asmin jive kalu, indeed in the jiva, aham nirvikalpam iti udbodha nishpadakaha. It produces the knowledge that I am one with all. But because of your prompting, Bhavat Preranat, Asau Mahan, that Mahat, Trigunaihi Sampushtam, though having the three gunas in full measure, Tamoti Bahulam, when dominated by the Tamoguna, Asmin Jive, in the Jiva, Savikalpaka Bodhakam Ahantatvam Chakre, created the Savikalpa Bodhakam Aham Tattvam, in which there is the awareness of separate individuality. All these things are happening because of the prerana of Bhagavan. Soham cha triguna trividatam asadya vaikariko भूयस्तैजसतापसाविति भवन् आद्येन सत्त्वात्मना देवान् इन्द्रियमानिनो कृतदिशा वातार्कपाश्यश्विनो वह्नीन्द्राच्युतमित्रकान् विदुविधि श्रीरुद्रशारीरकान्. This verse describes the Aham Tattva. Saha Aham cha Bhavan Bhuyaha Trigunakramat. That Ahankara, further becoming threefold in accordance with the three gunas, Vaikarikaha Taijasa Tamasau iti Trividatam Asadhya. It is of three types, Vaikarika or Sattvic, Taijasa or Rajasic, and Tamasa Ahankara. Adyena Sattvatmana, with the Sattvic Ahankara, it created the gods presiding over the organs of sense and action and the mind, namely the directions Vayu, Surya, Varuna, the Ashwini Devas, Agni, Indra, Upendra, Mitra, Prajapati, the moon, Brahma, Sri Rudra, and Kshetrajna. भूमन्मानसबुद्ध्यहङ्कृतिमिलच्चित्ताख्यवृत्त्यन्वितं तच्चान्तःकरणं विभो तव बलात् सत्त्वांश एवासृजत् जातस्तैजसतो दशेन्द्रियगणस्तत्तामसांशात् पुनस्तन्मात्रं नभसो मरुत्पुरपते शब्दो जनित्वद्बलात्. Bhuman, Vibho, O all-pervading God. Sattvanshaha eva, the Sattvic Ahankara itself. Manasa Buddhi Ahankriti Milat Chittakya Vrityanvitam Tatcha Antakaranam Asrijat. Created the Antakarana, having the Chitta Vritti endowed with mind, buddhi and ahankara. Taijasataha, from the Rajasa ahankara, Dasha Indriya Ganaha Jataha, the group of 10 sense organs, was born. Punaha Tat Tamasa Anshat, from the Tamasa part of that ahankara, He Marutpurapate, O Lord of Guruvayur, Tvad Balat, by your power, Nabasaha Tanmatram Shabdaha Ajani, the subtle essence of space called sound, was born. Shabdat Vyoma Tatas Sasarjita Vibho Sparsham Tato Marutam Tasmadrupamato Mahotacharasam Toyam cha gandham mahim evam madhava purva purva kalanat adyadya dharmanvitam bhutagramamimam tvameva bhagavan prakashayastamasad. Hey Vibho, O all-pervading Lord, Shabdat Vyoma, from sound, space. Tataha Sparsham, from space, touch. Tataha Marutam, from that air. Tasmat Rupam, from that form. Ataha Mahaha, from form, fire. Athacha Rasam, from fire, taste. Toyam Gandham Mahim cha, then water, smell and earth. Sasarjita, you created. He Madhava, He the Lord of Lakshmi. Evam, in this manner. Imam Bhuta Gramam, this group of subtle elements. He Bhagavan, O Lord, Tvameva, you yourself. Tamasat, from the Tamasa Ahankara, Prakashayaha, brought to existence. In this verse, the birth of the subtle elements from the Tamasa Ahankara is described. Each of the 5 elements has its own specific quality as well as the qualities of its predecessors. Thus, space has sound alone, air has touch and sound, fire has form, touch and sound, water has taste, form, touch and sound, earth has smell, taste, form, touch and sound. एते भूतगणास्ततेन्द्रियगणा देवाश्च जाता पृथङ् नो शेकुर्भुवनाण्डनिर्मितिविधौ देवैरमीभिस्तदा त्वं नानाविधसूक्तिभिर्नुतगुणस्तत्त्वान्यमून्याविशन् चेष्टाशक्तिमुदीर्यतानि घटयन् हैरण्यमण्डं व्यदाः. एते भूतगणाः, these group of elements, तथा इंद्रियगणाः, also the group of the subtle sense organs, devaha cha and their presiding deities, jataha which had come into existence, bhuvana anda nirmiti vidhau in creating the Brahmanda. Prithak no shekuhu were not capable by themselves, tada then, amibihi devaihi by these presiding deities, nanavida suktibihi nuta gunahatvam you whose glories were sung by means of various praises. Amoni tattvani avishan entering these tattvas, cheshta shaktim udirya discharging the cheshta shakti, the power of creation, tani ghatayan combining them, hairanyam andam the golden egg, vyadaha created. अंडं तत्कलु पूर्वसृष्टसलिले तिष्ठत्सहस्रं समाः निर्बिन्दन्नकृताश्चतुर्दश जगद्रूपं विराडाह्वयम् साहस्रैकरपादमूर्धनिवहैर्निःशेषजीवात्मको निर्बातोऽसि मरुत्पुराधिपसमां त्रायस्व सर्वामयात्. Tat andam kalu, that Brahmanda indeed, purva srishta salile, in the already created cosmic waters, sahasram samaha, for 1,000 years, atishtat, remained, nirbindan chaturdasha jagad rupam virad ahvayam, breaking it in the form of 14 worlds known as Virat. Akritaha, you made, nishesha jivatmakaha, as all beings, sahasraihi kara pada murda nivahaihi, with 1,000 hands, feet, head. Nirbhataha asi, you did shine. He Marutpuradipate, O you Lord of Guruvayur, Saha Tvam, that you, Sarva Amayat, from all diseases, Mam Trayasva, protect me. The 14 words are Bhuhu, Bhuvaha, Swaha, Mahaha, Janaha, Tapaha, Satyam, and the 7 nether regions Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Rasatala, Talatala, Mahatala, and Patala.